Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Instead of flowers, people bring sticks to this dog's grave. If four-dimensional beings exist, they can see you no matter where you hide. Ice cream, it has dairy, sugar, salt, vegetable fat, prostaglandin, etc. everything to make your cramp worse. Due to change of weather, children get flu or infection. To overcome which you can mix figs in children's milk and give them. This increases the immunity of children. Chips contains too much salt. Post-pandemic, telemedicine and health monitoring through apps and wearables have surged, making healthcare more accessible. Tea and coffee amount should be reduced as it can create headache. Meet Padma Shri Bipin. This 59-year-old has saved more than 10,000 lives in Calcutta in 40 years. Everyone has abs. You have to reduce the fat layer covering them to make them show. If you knocked out your tooth out and put it back in the socket, it will grow roots back and save the tooth. It's known as avulsed teeth. Japanese dwarf squirrel looks like they made it into reality from a Disney movie. India accounts for 45.8 million of the world's missing females, says UN report. Microscopic picture of a cat's tongue. If you place a ripe banana next to a green tomato, the tomato will ripen due to ethylene gas produced by the banana. Bassian thrushes find food by farting. Hippopotamus can poop so much that all the fish in the surrounding area choke to death. Caffeine serves the function of a pesticide in a coffee plant. A man in Thailand saved a baby elephant's life by using CPR after the animal was hit by a motorcycle while crossing a road. The last 1% of an iPhone's battery is actually equal to 2.3% of the device's battery charge. This is done to give the phone's user a false sense of urgency to recharge the device before complete battery depletion. Pigeons can maintain a heartbeat of 600 beats per minute at a wing beat of 10 per second. Piranhas are the only fish species that exhibit surplus killing, meaning they will kill for sport. Caterpillars have 248 muscles in their heads alone. They have 4,000 muscles in total. Among his other inventions, Leonardo da Vinci was the creator of the first telescopic back scratcher. Beavers have transparent eyelids so that they can see underwater with their eyes shut. If you are speaking near a light bulb, your sound waves interferes with the light waves by using a telescope integrated with the analog to digital converter. Hackers can extract the interference made by the sound waves, thus recreating the sound waves. The first horse to achieve this remarkable feat was Sir Barton in 1919, setting the stage for future equine legends like Secretariat and American Pharoah to etch their names in horse racing history. The ancient Greeks did not celebrate New Year's as we know it. Instead, they celebrated the first day of each month of their 12-month calendar. They did so by boiling bay leaves with cured fruits, adding the mixture to barley dough, and baking small round loaves of bread. Specific page index registers in computer architecture help programs access and locate data in memory more efficiently by storing memory addresses. So basically, index registers are like digital bookmarks for computers. Prior to circa 713 BCE, March was the first month of the Roman calendar year. The traditional feast for this New Year's Day was roasted duck sausage, stuffed pig, and mulsum, a mixture of wine and honey, similar to mead. In 1996, farmer harvested a record low crop of just one peck, the equivalent of one-fourth bushel, approximately 15 pounds. Did you know that Marumi, the fictional character of popular anime series, has the special ability to communicate with animals through telepathy? This unique talent not only helps Marumi navigate through various adventures but also allows for heartwarming and hilarious interactions with animals. San Francisco's Flea Shaker pool was so large that lifeguards used rowboats to patrol it. Built in 1924, the pool measured 1,000 by 150 feet, held 6.5 million gallons of water. Seven animals that went extinct in 2020. Indo-Chinese tiger, Sumatran rhino, Catarina pupfish, Indian cheetah, Chinese paddlefish, Yangtze giant softshell turtle, Spix macaw. Thanks for watching.